Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today's video is on learning colors through blocks. Every time I try to bring different yet interesting ways to learn colors. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates of our upcoming videos. So for this activity, all you need is some colorful sheets and then some colorful blocks. And you just need to ask your child to match the blocks with the sheet. My 3-year-old son has really enjoyed this color sorting activity. So let's check him out. Which color you have put?
Green.
Yes, the next color is?
Orange.
Very good. Pick the next color.
Yellow.
Very good. Now take the next color.
Pink.
Yes. Take the next color.
Purple.
Yes.
Red.
Very good. Take the next color. Thanks for watching. Please like and share your feedback in the comment section below.